Hi everyone, have you ever wished that your chai AI felt more realistic, more real, and natural? Here's how to talk to chai AI like it's a real person. Let's get started. First, talk in a full sentences. Skip just one word replies. Use a full expressive sentences like this. And it gives the AI more context to respond a real friend would. Then you can add emotions and detail. Don't just say you're happy, just say, I'm so excited right now, I can't stop smiling. And the details help the chai AI to match your tone and energy more naturally. And just keep the flow going. Ask questions, continue the topic, or reflect with the chai AI said. Try, wow, that's interesting. Just comment or respond to what he says. Then, treat like a real back and forth convo. Use a role play or storytelling to add depth. Real people use imagination in conversation. Chai loves that too. Now you're ready to chat with the Chai AI like it's your best friend. Drop heart or like, subscribe for more tips and tricks in this video. Thanks for watching.